Guys, my African family, oh my god. My sister Rossette has brought matoke, oh my god, and chicken for Rachel. Oh my god, the way Rachel is happy. Rachel is becoming happy day by day. Oba. Rachel, look in the camera as well and thank you. Thank you, you should appreciate.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam, for the good work. That's a
That's
lot here. in
Yes,
the
true,
office.
true. Thank you so much and thank you so much for
Whenever
appreciating.
we come here, Rachel is
Always
like
there.
a sister, welcoming everyone in any way. Whether you're from the other country,
Whichever country, yes.
whatever,
the
she's okay
matoke
with
is
everyone.
matokering.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Is-
Thank you, by the way, Rossette. Thank you so much as well for appreciating Rachel on our behalf. Thank you so much.
We shouldn't worry whether Mr. Karim is in the office or he's not in the office. Rachel is always there to welcome whoever comes in.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. So, guys, I hope you guys have heard it loud and clear. Let me repeat her line that even when I'm not here, Mr. Karim is here or not here, Rachel is always here to help you and cooperate, and she's always loving and caring for you guys, right?
Yeah.
And as Rossette also said that it doesn't matter which country you're from, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not that only Ugandans. Any country you're from, she's also welcome. And I think that my people have seen Ghanaians giving her gifts, Sierra Leoneans. Now she's famous in West Africa also. So,
I saw her.
and even she's soon reaching the smiling coast of Africa. That's Gambia.
Wow.
Oh my God, the corner of Africa. Wow.
Love you.
Mungako. Hey. Mungako. Hey.